Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Cetaphil SPF 35 broad spectrum oil-free facial moisturizer. So #1 dermatologist recommended, and this is my daily morning moisturizer for my face and SPF. So, you know, it's getting sunnier out there. Make sure you all wear SPF and sunscreen for the summer, spring. And I highly recommend this one because it doesn't clog pores, all this other good stuff. All right, let me show you what a new one looks like. All right, so comes in this white and green package. Wow, so nice. So nice. Yeah, 3 ounce, the package. And I will drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. And please let me know in the comment section what you think about this moisturizer. And let me know if you guys recommend any other morning moisturizers that you guys like more than this one, because I'm always down to try new things for you all and unbox new products on this unboxing channel. All right, everyone. Hope you're doing well and hope you have a great day. See you all next time. Later.